Hello everyone, and welcome to another Ad Climber 10.12 update on our new software released right after this outbreak happened with coronavirus. And we're here to help everyone get through with an honest, genuine software with good customer support, over the phone support, and quality ads that run on Facebook, Craigslist, and LetGo for any of your products and services. So let me just go through a little bit of this with you. Currently, when you sign up, you can see we have a 7-day free trial with the code right here that we're offering. This will get you 7 days completely free with the software, and you can beat it up and see how well it works for you. So let's just jump right in and show you what we have now and how this can help you. First thing you're going to see inside of our Advert Manager is all of your ads that you currently have on our system. We also have a way of importing your adverts, and you can actually select from a previous account or directly from Craigslist, and we can download all your ads from your Craigslist account right into our system. Once you have your ads in our system, you'll be able to go to Campaign Manager and make daily campaigns of any amount of ads, 18 ads, 20 ads, 30 ads, whatever you want to do. And we also have features on the right-hand side here for randomizing your title, randomizing your description. We have an image randomizer that will change how your image's pixels are read, the name of the photo, removing XF data, all the bells and whistles. We also can add watermarks on your images with your phone number or something like that that you want to have stamped on there so people can't steal your photos, as well as Craigslist, Facebook, places like that, not being able to discern the same photo from another. We also have features for Facebook Marketplace like auto deletion of your old ads so you never post the same ad twice and get duplicate ad problems. We also have new Facebook Marketplace layouts that we already have built into the system, so if Facebook constantly changes on you, we have the most updated system. We have Craigslist, we have Facebook Marketplace over here, and we have LetGo. The great thing about this is Facebook Marketplace and LetGo will use your same Facebook account to post on both of those systems. And as far as Craigslist goes, you can load accounts inside of our system, inside the section where you have your profile, you have your Craigslist accounts, and you can even put in Craigslist payment details for credit card-based posting, which are basically bulletproof postings on their system now. So something really great about what we're doing inside of Ad Climber for Craigslist is we're allowing multiple accounts to be used in the process of one campaign. So you can simply select a campaign from your campaign manager, and let's say it's a campaign of 6 ads right here. We can simply go and click Start, and now we'll choose our Craigslist account. So I can simply choose one account, 2 accounts. Let's just start with that, and let's put our interval between ads at like 1 minute and simply click Start. This says here it's going to use the existing accounts to spread out amongst all the campaigns. So now these first 2 ads are going to post on account 1, the next 2 ads on account 2, and the next 2 ads back to account 1. So as you can see, the process is running, and it's about to post this advert inside of Craigslist as we're watching this. You can see that it's going in through Java connections, so we don't use a browser, which means there's no cache or cookies on the system. And by using one Craigslist account for every 2 ads, we're staying within their terms of use, and you're going to have a lot of problems that you normally have non-existent with flagging and ghosting and things of that nature, because you're not stepping over the parameters that they are trying to get forward on you. So now all we need to do is sit back and let the software do its thing and begin posting the ads. Now, our software works for basically any category that exists on Craigslist currently, and we also have credit card posting that involves that. If you have a Facebook account with Facebook Marketplace access, you can push 20 to 30 ads or more per day into Facebook Marketplace, and LetGo is another amazing outlet where you can post another 30 to 50 ads a day. So you can totally post around 100 ads a day through our system between all 3 websites. And with our new IntelliPost algorithm for posting on Craigslist, you can now not worry about flagging so much. And this is the real secret to Craigslist, is using multiple accounts, and they're very easy to set up now. And as you can see, the first ad is almost done being published. And after that publishes, we'll go ahead and refresh the Craigslist account and show that ad currently there. And you'll see on the next advert, it will switch accounts to post on to a new one. There we have it. The first ad is done being published. And let's go ahead and refresh our Craigslist account. Okay, and let me just pull this into view for everyone here. So now you can see on this side we have a mattress that we need to sell that we posted a few days ago, and our leather desk office chair. And you can see that there's renewing functionalities here. We also have a renew and repost functionality up in the top of the bar. So as our software is taking a small safety break in order to clear out any evidence of the last posting and logging into a new account, you simply just sit back and wait for the software to just run all day for you. So now we are posting the second ad to our secondary Craigslist account, which is adclimbercl@gmail.com. So let's just let that run and post. Okay, we're in the final stages now with uploading images. And you guys are all seeing this in real time on how long it takes our system to throw ads into Craigslist. So now we're in the final steps of publishing the ad and sticking it to Craigslist. And there we have it. The ad's been posted, and let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on Craigslist. And let me just load that Ad Climber account over here. Let's see. So there you have it. We posted this ad moments ago in Orange County by owner, and we split our campaign into multiple accounts, and there we can see that we have our advert, and our ads are actually optimized with keyword searches inside of the advert when you're building it. Inside of our advert manager, we can take a look at some of these features. So if we go into this mattress ad, we can go to edit. We actually have a keywords for Craigslist search optimization. So we'll actually put HTML coding around your ads to give them better search relevance while they're on Craigslist. And you'll be able to take advantage of all these features that we're constantly building and adding to this. The only truly way to get around Craigslist flagging is to use multiple accounts and spread those ads out across multiple accounts, and that's exactly what you can do with Ad Climber. So if you currently want to get on board with us, just come over to our site, sign up for a 7-day free trial with this subscription code down here, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you very much for your time.